free education. Don't forget to subscribe. Numbers for fundamental operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Knowing about numbers: Hindu, Arabic system of numberation, Indian system of numberation, International system of numberation, British system of numberation. Place value and face values of a digit in a number, comparing and ordering of numbers, whole numbers, factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, even and odd numbers, tests for divisibility of numbers, common factors and common multiples, prime factorization, highest common factor GCD, lowest common multiple, integers, properties and fundamental operations, fractions and decimals, types of fractions, comparison, applications of fractions in daily life, 4 fundamental operations on fractions and decimals, rational numbers, properties of rational numbers between two rational numbers, 4 fundamental operations on rational numbers, product of reciprocals, squares, square roots, numbers and decimals, properties of square numbers, cubes, roots of numbers, playing with numbers, games with numbers, letters of 4 digits, arithmetic, Budmar's rule, ratios and proportions, direct and inverse, comparing quantities using ratios, proportion, percentage and their application, profit and loss, discount, sales tax, value added tax, goods and service tax, simple compound interest and their applications, geometry, basic geometrical concepts, point, line segment, ray, curves, polygons, angles, measuring of lines, pairs of lines, elements of angles, measuring of angles, types of angles, naming of the given 2D figures of triangles, square and rectangle, the triangle, types of triangles and its properties, classification of polygons, angle sum property, kinds of quadrilaterals, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, some special parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, construction, different types of quadrilaterals, views of 3D shapes, identification of edges, vertices and faces of 3D figures, Euler rule, nets for building 3D shapes, data handling, reading and interpreting and analyzing of data, pictography, tally marks, bar graphs, double bar graph, pie charts, arithmetic mean, mode, median of ungrouped data, chance and probability, algebra, patterns, making rules, the idea of variables, formation of algebraic expressions, terms, factors of coefficient, linear equations in one variable, terms and types of algebraic expressions, finding the value of an expression, addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions, multiplying a monomial by a monomial and polynomial, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial, standard identifiers and their applications of simple equations to practical situations, exponents and powers, negative exponents, loss of exponents, expressing large numbers in the standard form, factorization, division of algebraic expressions, continued polynomial, line and graphs, mensuration, measuring length, weight, capacity, time, seasons, calendar, money, area, symmetry, line and rotational, perimeter of triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, circle and polygon, area of quadrilateral, surface area and volume of cube, cuboid, and cylinder, volume and capacity. Methodology 6 marks. Nature and definition of mathematics, aims, values and instructional objects of teaching mathematics, methods of teaching and remedial measures in mathematics, institutional material, TLM and resource utilization in mathematics, curriculum, textbook and instructional planning, evolution and continuous comparison, evolution.